Do you need to protect your home, business, or commercial property from theft and vandalism? Professional visual monitoring is your best option, and it's our business. Here's how we'd safeguard your property. Your security system and cameras will be linked together and to our central station. This connection can be live 24/7 or armed at specific times, like when you're sleeping or when your site is unattended. If the security system detects an intruder or other unusual motion, video of that activity is instantly sent to one of our staff operators, where he or she could view the video and determine exactly what triggered the security system and the appropriate response. The operator can also observe what is happening on your property by engaging live access to your cameras. If criminal activity is observed, the operator will immediately notify emergency services. This verified dispatch typically results in a priority response from police and gives you the best possible chance to apprehend the criminal. If an operator is unsure of whether or not criminal activity is occurring, they'll send a video to you to verify from any mobile device. The operator can also issue an audible warning to the intruder, letting them know that they are under live video surveillance and the authorities have been called. Professional visual monitoring can save you from theft, vandalism, or other criminal activity that could cost you thousands of dollars. By maximizing the power of your security system and camera system, we provide the very best protection of the things that matter most.